In today's video, I show you the printed kits, the printed digital kits I have available for Christmas in the Dearjuliejulie Etsy shop. Stay tuned. Hi everybody, it's Julie. Welcome to the Messy Desk. And today we are going to go over digital kits. I am adding some printed digital kits to the Etsy shop today, and so I wanted to show you what they were, and also to show you the Christmas kits. So we have the Cherished Children kit. It features Betsy McCall from the McCall's magazine from 1911. So in the digital kit you get these 5 pages. This is it's a postcard kit. So you get those postcards, you get those postcards, you get this page of wallets, and you get the Snowbell music. Okay, so that is the digital kit, Cherished Children. It has 5 pages. If you are to purchase the printed kit, where I print it and send it to you printed, it is going to include, it is not going to get the big picture of her because she's a portrait. So you're going to get the other postcard pages. Okay, so the 2 postcard. You're going to get the wallet, and those are all, these 3 are going to be printed on cardstock. Your music, actually we'll just print everything on cardstock. So all 4 of these will be printed on cardstock. Then you're also going to receive these 4. Okay, so you're going to get the 5x7. You're going to get the postcards at 5x7. You're going to get the 4 of them at 3.5x5. And you're going to get the 4 of them at wallets. And so that is going to be the Cherished Children printed kit, all printed on cardstock. But you can still get the digital kit. So let me show you. So if you, I will post in the description box how to print the postcard kits, and to get, because you can print them and have yours come out like this. Okay, so this is printed 5x7, and now that can become a side-by-side page. I like to print those like this, or print a whole sheet of just the music, or the whole sheet of just her. So I'll go into the printer or into the computer and tell it I want 9 wallets, and or this one I wanted 4 copies, 4 prints of 2 images. Okay, so but I will put the how to print and be able to get that. So that is the Cherished Children digital and printed. Okay, and it'll be available today in the Etsy shop. And so that's the first one. The second one is our pink Christmas, and this is just part of the kit. Okay, this is just part of it, but I wanted you to see. So this is pink Christmas. So this one is going to be available. This is the digital, and this ephemera part is going to be available printed. Okay, so it has 8 pages of pink Christmas ephemera. It will be printed on cardstock. Okay, so the ephemera, you get the letters. Remember, the letter, the alphabet is missing the letter J. Okay, so just heads up. So that is the ephemera, and that'll be the printed ephemera, the 8 pages, pink Christmas, available. Now your digital will have all these and more. It has these, and it has a mini journal kit, So if you want to look at the whole kit, you can look up Pink Christmas, Dearjuliejulie, and then find the digital kit. Okay, so this is pages. They'll be printed on copy paper. Okay, and so you get the collage page, you get the page with the adorable 3 girls, you get the side-by-side pages, and again, remember, these are all part of the Pink Christmas digital kit, but this is the 8 pages that you receive. You do get the tag page, because I like to, I like to fold this one up and that one. Okay, so let's make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep, those are your 8 pages. Okay, so that is the Pink Christmas pages, and it'll be printed on copy paper. The ephemera will be printed on cardstock. Okay, and those will be, the digital is already available in the shop. Okay, next we have the Angel kit. So this is the Angel digital kit. You get 1, 2, there's the 3rd, the 4th, and you get It Came Upon a Midnight Clear as your music. Okay, so that's the digital kit, the Angel digital kit. Now, the printed kit is going to include, let's show you here. Okay, it's going to have the ephemera pages at 5x7. Okay, so both of them at 5x7. And it's going to have a wallet page. And the 4 ephemera pages print at 3.5x5. Okay, so that is those 4, and then the postcards. All of this will be on cardstock. So the entire Angel kit will be on cardstock. Okay, so that is the Angel kit. And next, in the process today is the Angel Pages kit. And so I just wanted to show you the images, the beautiful images that I have for that are these. Okay, so this is not, they're going to be side-by-side pages, and they're going to just be awesome. There will be 8 printed pages, and so watch for this. I'll work with this tomorrow, and I'll have it finished, so I'll be able to show you that. But I wanted you to know that that will be in there also. A pages kit to go with the postcard and ephemera. Next we have the Bird and the Deer, and this is the Bird and the Deer digital kit. It has the bird page, it has the bird landscape postcards, and the portrait postcards. It includes a back of a postcard as well. It has the wallet images of the birds, and it has the music Bird on the Tree. So that is the digital. And again, remember, you can take it, you can print it in all those different ways and get all the other sizes. And so that's the digital. Now the printed is going to include 5x7, 5x7 of each of those images. There's the 3.5x5 of each of those images. There's the wallet of each of those images. So for this one, you're not going to get the birds. Okay, so you just won't get the birds in the printed. You will get all of these in the printed kit. Okay, so that is the bird and the deer. And next we have the Christmas pages, and I have not put this one together. This has more than what I'm going to show you in the kit. It has it in bright and in vignette. I love this kit actually. And there is the quilt I made with my granny. And there's the Bank of Happiness. Isn't that cool? 1900. Okay. So that is the Christmas pages, and I'll be coming back in a day or two with the printed set of that. So this is the Santa digital kit. You get a postcard kit. So you get those postcards. You get this fun wallet. You get this page of, it's a cut apart, you can decorate the tree and play with all kinds of fun things. And there's Santa. And you get the old Santa Claus Christmas song. And then, so that's the digital, has 5 pages. And then the printed, you're going to get the 5x7 of the postcards, the 3.5x5 of the 4 pages. You get the wallets and the wallets of the music. So instead of the big music in the printed version, you're going to get the little wallet music. Okay? So that is the Santa digital, the Santa printed. So that is the video showing you what we have in printed so far. So these are in the Etsy shop. They have a banner across the face of the picture, so the thumbnail, that says printed, so that you'll know. And they have 8 or 9 pages depending on which one it is. And so do check that out. And I look forward to sending them to you. Find something to celebrate every day. Have an amazing day. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Bye-bye.